LangChain AI-21 embeddings. AI-21 embeddings summarized as below. Nan. Definition. Detailed definition of LangChain AI-21 embeddings. AI-21 embeddings. This variable represents a combination of components that provide access to AI-21 Studio application. Programming interface API for generating embeddings through LangChain. Components. Component 1. AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface API for generating embeddings. This component provides access to AI-21 Studio's embedding generation capabilities. It allows users to generate vector representations of text using various embedding models available within AI-21 Studio. For example, users can generate embeddings for a document to perform semantic search or cluster similar documents. Component 2. LangChain integration to access the application programming interface API. LangChain provides a convenient interface to interact with AI-21 Studio API. It allows users to easily generate embeddings using AI-21 Studio API within their LangChain pipelines. For instance, developers can integrate embedding generation into their applications using LangChain's user-friendly API. Architecture. Description of the architecture supporting LangChain AI-21 embeddings. AI-21 embeddings. This variable leverages an architecture that integrates LangChain with the AI-21 Studio application programming interface API. LangChain acts as a bridge, facilitating access to the API's embedding generation functionality. This integration allows users to seamlessly leverage the power of AI-21 Studio's embedding models within their LangChain workflows. Role. Explanation of the variable's role in the system. This variable plays a crucial role in providing vector representation of text for AI-21 models. It enables the conversion of textual data into numerical vectors, which can be processed by AI-21 models for tasks such as semantic search, document similarity analysis, and more. For instance, a document can be converted into an embedding vector, which can then be compared to other document embeddings to identify similar documents. Advantages. AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface API provides high-quality embeddings. The embedding models available through the AI-21 Studio API are known for their high quality and ability to effectively capture the semantic meaning of text. These high-quality embeddings enhance the accuracy of downstream tasks that rely on semantic understanding, such as document retrieval and question answering. For example, using these embeddings in a search engine would improve the relevance of search results, ensuring that users find the most relevant documents. LangChain integration simplifies the usage. LangChain provides a user-friendly and intuitive interface for accessing AI-21 Studio API. It simplifies the process of embedding generation, making it accessible to developers with varying levels of experience. For example, developers can easily integrate embedding generation into their applications without needing to write complex code for API interactions. Challenges. Potential application programming interface API rate limits might impact performance. AI-21 Studio API might have rate limits in place, which could restrict the frequency of requests and potentially impact performance. For example, exceeding the rate limit could result in delays or errors when generating embeddings. Dependencies on AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface API for functionality. This variable relies on the availability and functionality of the AI-21 Studio API. Any changes or disruptions to the API could affect the functionality and performance of LangChain. AI21 embeddings. AI21 embeddings. For instance, if the API becomes unavailable, embedding generation would be interrupted. Model availability. Access to Anthropic's Claude models may be subject to certain restrictions or limitations, depending on usage and other factors. Access to Claude models may be limited. Performance considerations. The performance of the model can vary depending on the specific Claude model and the complexity of the task. The performance of the model can be affected by factors such as the specific Claude model being used, the complexity of the task, and the available computing resources. Cost implications. Using Claude models may involve associated costs depending on usage patterns. The utilization of Claude models can incur costs, particularly for extensive or heavy usage, depending on the specific pricing model employed by Anthropic. Langchainanthropic chatmodels. Anthropic tool. Definition: a tool that utilizes Anthropic's Claude model for generating responses. It encompasses various components: a powerful large language model (LLM) from Anthropic, a prompt template for structuring inputs for Claude, and a response parser that transforms the output from Claude into a desired format. Architecture: the tool utilizes the Anthropic Application Programming Interface (API) for interaction with Claude. This API serves as the communication bridge between the LangChain application and Anthropic's Claude model. Role: the Anthropic tool facilitates the integration of Anthropic's Claude into LangChain applications. This integration enables various functionalities like text generation, summarization, and question answering. Real-world examples include generating creative content, summarizing lengthy articles, and providing concise answers to complex questions using Claude's capabilities. Advantages: provides access to a powerful large language model (LLM) for various tasks. This access opens up a wide range of applications, including generating creative content, summarizing information, translating languages, writing code, and providing insightful answers to questions. Offers seamless integration within the LangChain framework. This integration enables developers to easily incorporate Claude's capabilities into their existing LangChain projects, streamlining the development process and reducing integration complexities. Supports advanced capabilities like code generation and creative writing. Claude's advanced capabilities extend beyond basic text generation. It can generate creative content, such as poems, scripts, and stories. It can also produce functional code in various programming languages, making it a valuable tool for developers. Challenges: requires an Anthropic Application Programming Interface (API) key for access to Claude. This requirement means that users need to obtain an API key from Anthropic to utilize Claude's capabilities through the tool. Potential cost implications associated with Application Programming Interface (API) usage. The use of the API may incur costs, depending on the pricing model employed by Anthropic. Users need to consider these potential cost implications when implementing the tool. May encounter limitations based on Claude's knowledge cutoff. As with any large language model, Claude's knowledge is limited to the data it has been trained on. This means that the tool may not have access to information that is newer than its training data. Cutoff, potentially leading to limitations in certain use cases. LangChain AI21 AI21 base AI21 base. NaN. AI21 Labs Large Language Model LLM utilized in LangChain AI21 integration. It is a powerful tool for natural language processing tasks such as text generation, translation, and summarization. This LLM is designed to be used with LangChain AI21 integration. making it easy to leverage AI21's capabilities within your applications. Component 1. AI21 Studio Application Programming Interface for Interaction. This API provides a way to access AI21's LLM from your applications. It allows you to send requests to the LLM and receive responses, enabling you to use the LLM for tasks such as generating text, translating languages, or summarizing documents. Component 2. LangChain Integration for Seamless Interaction. This integration allows you to use AI21's LLM within LangChain, a powerful framework for building applications with LLMs. It simplifies the process of using AI21's LLM by providing a consistent interface for interacting with the LLM. AI21 Labs proprietary architecture designed for robust language generation. It is a complex system that leverages advanced techniques in natural language processing to generate high-quality text. This architecture is designed for efficiency and scalability, allowing it to handle a wide range of language generation tasks. Provides advanced language generation capabilities through LangChain. The AI21 base LLM acts as a core component in LangChain's AI21 integration, enabling users to access AI21's powerful language generation capabilities within their applications. By integrating this LLM into LangChain, users can leverage advanced text generation features for various purposes, such as creating engaging content, summarizing information, or translating text between languages. High-quality text generation. The AI21 base LLM is known for its ability to generate high-quality text, producing outputs that are coherent, grammatically correct, and relevant to the given prompt. It is capable of generating various types of text, including stories, articles, poems, and code. This makes it a valuable tool for applications that require creative and informative text generation. Seamless integration with LangChain. LangChain provides a seamless integration with AI21 base, allowing users to leverage the LLM's capabilities within the LangChain framework. This integration streamlines the process of interacting with the LLM and simplifies the development of applications that use AI21's language generation capabilities. The integration ensures compatibility and allows users to seamlessly integrate the LLM into their existing LangChain workflows. API-based interaction requires setup. Using AI21 base through its application programming interface requires setting up an API connection. This process may involve obtaining API credentials, configuring network settings, and understanding the API's documentation. It can add an initial hurdle for users who are new to using APIs or interacting with external services. Potential cost associated with usage. Accessing AI21 base through its application programming interface may incur costs based on usage. The pricing model may depend on factors like the number of API requests, the amount of generated text, and the specific LLM model used. This aspect should be considered when evaluating the feasibility of using AI21 base in an application, particularly for projects with budget constraints or high usage expectations. Application Programming Interface Key Management. Managing API keys is crucial for security and access control. It involves securely storing, retrieving, and rotating keys to protect against unauthorized access. Implementing robust API key management practices is essential to ensure the security and integrity of the system. Challenge 2. Model configuration. Configuring AI21 models for optimal performance requires understanding their parameters and tuning them based on the specific requirements of the application. This may involve adjusting parameters such as temperature, top K, and top P to control the creativity and coherence of the generated responses. Careful model configuration is essential to achieve the desired outcomes. LangChain AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter Summary. NaN. A text-splitting strategy specifically designed for AI-21 Studio's application programming interface. To segment lengthy text into meaningful chunks. Suitable for processing with AI-21's large language models. For example, if you have a long article or document that you want to analyze with AI-21's models, the AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter can break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces, each containing a coherent and relevant section of the text. This makes it easier for AI-21's models to process the information and generate meaningful insights. Component 1. AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface is a cloud-based platform that provides access to AI-21's powerful language models. It offers a range of features, including text generation, summarization, translation, and more. The AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter relies on this API to perform its text splitting function. Component 2. Text segmentation algorithm is a core component of the AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter. This algorithm is designed to identify natural breakpoints in the text, such as paragraph boundaries, topic shifts, and other semantic cues. By analyzing these cues, the algorithm divides the text into chunks that preserve the original meaning and coherence of the information. Leverages AI-21's text segmentation capabilities to divide input text into coherent and relevant segments, enabling efficient processing by AI-21's models. For instance, when you feed a lengthy text into the AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter, it uses AI-21's sophisticated text analysis capabilities to identify the most logical points to split the text. This ensures that each resulting segment is a self-contained and meaningful unit that can be processed individually by AI-21's models. Facilitates effective processing of large text volumes with AI-21's models by creating manageable chunks tailored for AI-21's application programming interface. Imagine you have a large book or a collection of documents that you want to analyze with AI-21's models. The AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter acts as a pre-processing tool, breaking down the text into smaller chunks that are suitable for input into AI-21's API. This approach allows for efficient processing and avoids overwhelming the models with massive amounts of text. Streamlines processing of large texts for AI-21 models. By dividing the text into smaller chunks, the AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter makes it easier for AI-21's models to process the information, saving time and computational resources. It's like organizing a large library into smaller, more manageable shelves, making it easier to find and access specific books. Preserves semantic coherence within text segments. The AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter carefully splits the text to ensure that each chunk remains a coherent and meaningful unit. This helps preserve the original context and meaning of the text, preventing fragmented or disjointed analysis by AI-21's models. It's like preserving the flow of a story when breaking it down into chapters. Requires access to AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface for functionality. To use the AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter, you need an active account with AI-21 Studio and access to their application programming interface. This means you must be familiar with their platform and have the necessary API keys to interact with it. It's similar to requiring a subscription to a specific library system to borrow books. May necessitate fine-tuning for optimal segment size based on specific use cases. The ideal segment size for the AI-21 semantic text splitter can vary depending on the specific task and the nature of the text. For instance, a research paper might require smaller segments than a news article. You may need to experiment with different settings to determine the optimal segment size for your specific use case. This is like adjusting the shelf size in a library to fit different book formats and sizes. LangChain AI-21 Semantic Text Splitter. Definition. This is a text splitter specifically designed for use with the AI-21 Studio application programming interface. It intelligently breaks down text into chunks based on semantic meaning, ensuring that each chunk maintains coherence and context. Components. Component 1. The AI-21 Studio Application Programming Interface is a powerful tool for interacting with AI-21 Studio's models. It allows developers to programmatically access AI-21 Studio's capabilities for natural language processing tasks such as text generation, summarization, and translation. Component 2. A semantic text splitter is a text processing component that intelligently divides a large text into smaller, coherent chunks based on the semantic meaning of the text. It analyzes the relationships between sentences and paragraphs to identify natural breakpoints, ensuring that each chunk conveys a complete and meaningful thought. Architecture. The splitter leverages AI-21 Studio's powerful language understanding capabilities to identify natural breakpoints in the text, preserving context and meaning within each chunk. Role. This specialized splitter simplifies integration with AI-21 Studio. It allows you to break down large inputs into smaller, manageable chunks, suitable for processing with AI-21 Studio's models. Advantages. This component efficiently breaks down long texts into smaller, more manageable chunks. This is useful when working with large amounts of text, as it allows for faster processing and analysis. Preserves semantic meaning in each chunk. The text splitter ensures that each chunk maintains coherence and context, which is crucial for tasks such as summarization or translation. Challenges. Limited to AI-21 Studio application programming interface. It cannot be used with other language models or text processing platforms without additional integration. May not always perfectly split text according to meaning. While the splitter strives to maintain semantic coherence, there may be instances where the splitting process does not perfectly align with the intended meaning of the text, especially in complex or ambiguous text. LangChainanthropic chat models convert to Anthropic tool. NaN. Transforming LangChainanthropic chat models to a Anthropic tool for seamless integration with LangChain. This conversion enables LangChain to utilize the power of Anthropic's sophisticated language models as tools within its framework. Component 1. LangChainanthropic chat models. These refer to the large language models (LLMs) developed by Anthropic that are integrated into the LangChain framework. LangChain is an open-source framework for building and deploying AI applications, and it provides a way to connect LLMs to various tools and data sources. Component 2. Anthropic tool. This refers to a special type of tool specifically designed for use with LangChain. Leveraging Anthropic's LLMs, these tools allow LangChain to utilize the advanced capabilities of Anthropic's models for tasks such as text generation, summarization, translation, and question answering. It utilizes LangChain's capabilities to bridge the gap between Anthropic's chat models and LangChain's tool framework. This involves defining a clear communication protocol between the LangChain framework and Anthropic LLMs, enabling them to work together seamlessly. Enabling the utilization of Anthropic chat models within LangChain as tools for enhanced task automation and improved AI interactions. By converting Anthropic chat models into tools within LangChain, this allows developers to build more sophisticated AI applications. For example, a user could design an application that leverages an Anthropic chatbot for generating creative content, summarizing complex documents, or answering factual questions. Expands the range of tools accessible within LangChain. This conversion provides LangChain users with access to the powerful language models of Anthropic, adding to the existing collection of tools. Improves the flexibility and functionality of LangChain applications. By incorporating Anthropic's chat models, LangChain applications gain access to a wider range of capabilities, facilitating more complex and effective AI solutions. Ensuring compatibility between Anthropic chat models and LangChain's tool framework. This requires careful design and implementation to ensure that both systems can communicate and interact smoothly, optimizing performance and efficiency of tool usage. As LLMs are computationally intensive, achieving optimal performance and efficiency within the LangChain framework is crucial for real-world applications. Using this text splitter necessitates obtaining and providing an application programming interface. Key for the AI-21 application programming interface. Dependency on AI-21 API. This text splitter's functionality is reliant on the availability and operation of the AI-21 application programming interface. LangChain Anthropic Experimental Get System Message. An overview of the experimental Get System Message function for LangChain Anthropic and its components. This function defines the system message used in Anthropic's Claude application programming interface, which instructs the AI on its role and desired behavior. The system message is a text-based instruction that provides context to the AI and guides its response generation. For example, the system message could specify the is persona, its role, the desired tone of its responses, or any specific instructions for completing a task. Component 1. The system message is a fundamental component of the Anthropic application programming interface. It provides the initial context and instructions for the AI, shaping its understanding of the task and influencing its responses. The system message is similar to a set of instructions that you give a person before they start a job. Component 2. The system message sets the stage for how the AI will interpret prompts and generate responses. It acts like a preamble or an introduction that defines the is understanding of the conversation and its role within it. By carefully crafting the system message, users can ensure the AI understands the desired tone, style, and content of its responses. LangChain leverages the Anthropic application programming interface for its interaction with Claude, making the system message crucial for shaping responses. LangChain utilizes the Get System Message function to provide structured instructions to the AI, guiding its behavior and ensuring responses are aligned with the desired outcome. The system message acts as a guide for Claude, influencing its understanding of the prompt and its response generation. It provides context and instructions to the AI, ensuring responses align with the intended purpose. For example, if you want Claude to generate code in Python, you can specify this in the system message. Control over the IS persona and behavior. Users can customize the IS persona and behavior by carefully crafting the system message. This allows for a more personalized interaction with the AI, where its tone, style, and content are tailored to specific needs. Clearer instructions for specific tasks. The system message provides a way to give the AI specific instructions for completing tasks. This can be helpful for ensuring the AI understands the desired outcome and generates accurate and relevant responses. For example, if you need the AI to summarize a text, you can specify the desired length of the summary in the system message. Fine-tuning the system message for optimal results can be challenging. The system message requires careful crafting and iteration to ensure the AI understands the desired outcome and generates accurate and relevant responses. For example, different tasks may require different system messages. Different tasks require different system messages. Some tasks may require more specific instructions than others, and it is important to ensure the system message is tailored to the specific task at hand. This may require some experimentation and fine-tuning to achieve optimal results. Langchainanthropic LLMs. Anthropic. A description of Anthropic LLM within LangChain in YAML format. LangChain's Anthropic LLM interface is a tool that enables developers to utilize Anthropic's Claude model within LangChain projects. This interface allows for seamless integration of Claude's advanced capabilities into various applications built using LangChain. Component 1. The Anthropic Claude model is a large language model LLM developed by Anthropic, a company known for its focus on safe and responsible AI. Claude is known for its impressive natural language processing skills, including text generation, summarization, and question answering. It offers a robust platform for developers to incorporate sophisticated language capabilities into their projects. Component 2. LangChain's LLM wrapper class for Claude is a specialized component designed to simplify the interaction with the Claude model within LangChain applications. This wrapper acts as a bridge, providing a consistent and user-friendly interface for developers to interact with Claude, eliminating the need to delve into the complexities of its underlying API. LangChain's Anthropic LLM interface acts as a wrapper around the Claude model, enabling developers to effortlessly integrate Claude into LangChain projects. This interface serves as a bridge, allowing LangChain to leverage the capabilities of Claude without requiring developers to directly interact with its API. The Anthropic LLM interface within LangChain plays a crucial role in facilitating the integration of Claude into LangChain projects. This integration allows developers to utilize Claude's powerful language abilities within their applications, expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved with LangChain. Provides access to Claude's advanced capabilities. The Anthropic LLM interface unlocks a world of possibilities by providing access to Claude's impressive capabilities. This includes its ability to generate human-quality text, summarize complex information, and answer questions in a comprehensive and insightful manner. For example, a developer could leverage Claude's summarization capabilities to create a tool that automatically generates concise summaries of lengthy documents or articles. Simplifies Claude integration in LangChain. The Anthropic LLM interface simplifies the process of integrating Claude into LangChain projects, making it easier for developers to utilize this powerful model. By providing a standardized interface and handling the complexities of interacting with the underlying Claude API, the interface streamlines the development process, allowing developers to focus on building their applications rather than dealing with low-level Technical details. Requires Anthropic Application Programming Interface API credentials to utilize the Anthropic LLM interface. Developers need to obtain valid Anthropic API credentials. This typically involves registering with Anthropic, obtaining an API key, and configuring their application to use it. This step is essential for accessing and interacting with the Claude model through the interface. Claude's availability may be limited as with any new technology. The availability of Claude may be subject to limitations, such as restrictions on usage or potential downtime. It's important for developers to consider these factors when planning their projects and ensure that their applications are resilient to potential limitations in Claude's availability. Langchainanthropic LLMs Anthropic LLM. A comprehensive guide to the Anthropic LLM class in LangChain. LangChain's Anthropic LLM class provides a seamless integration with Anthropic's powerful language models, like Claude, allowing you to leverage their capabilities within your applications. For example, imagine building a chatbot that can summarize lengthy articles or generate creative content. The Anthropic LLM class provides the necessary bridge to integrate this functionality. Component 1. The Anthropic LLM class acts as a bridge between LangChain and Anthropic's application programming interface. It acts as a mediator, facilitating communication between the LangChain framework and Anthropic's powerful language models. Component 2. It utilizes the Anthropic Application Programming Interface to send requests and receive responses from the underlying language models. This implies that the Anthropic LLM class acts as a client to the Anthropic API, sending requests for tasks like text generation, translation, or question answering, and receiving responses from the Anthropic language models. This class leverages the LangChain framework's structure to simplify interactions with Anthropic models. The Anthropic LLM class seamlessly integrates with LangChain's architecture, providing a streamlined and consistent interface for working with Anthropic models. Anthropic LLM serves as a fundamental building block in LangChain, enabling developers to readily incorporate Anthropic's advanced language models into their projects. By providing a simple yet robust interface, the Anthropic LLM class empowers developers to effortlessly integrate Anthropic's capabilities into their projects, opening up a wide range of possibilities for building intelligent applications. Advantage 1. Simplified access to Anthropic's models through the intuitive LangChain interface. Developers can leverage Anthropic's models without needing to delve into the complexities of their underlying APIs, thanks to the simple and straightforward LangChain interface. Advantage 2. Enhanced flexibility and customization options offered by LangChain's modularity. LangChain's modularity allows for easy customization and integration of the Anthropic LLM class with other components within the LangChain ecosystem, enabling developers to tailor their applications to specific requirements. Challenge 1. Potential application programming interface rate limits and cost considerations when using Anthropic models. Anthropic's application programming interface might impose rate limits or cost constraints on the number of requests that can be made, which requires careful consideration for applications that heavily rely on Anthropic models. Challenge 2. Maintaining compatibility with Anthropic application programming interface updates and version changes. Anthropic's application programming interface might undergo updates or version changes, requiring adjustments to the Anthropic LLM class to ensure ongoing compatibility and prevent unexpected issues in applications. LangChain Anthropic output parsers. This YAML document provides a summary of langchain-anthropic output parsers, outlining their definition, components, architecture, role, advantages, and challenges. A mechanism to extract structured data from unstructured text output generated by Anthropic's Claude AI. Anthropic's Claude AI is a large language model capable of generating human-like text. This extraction mechanism allows for the conversion of the output from Claude, which is often in the form of free-flowing text, into a more organized format suitable for further processing and analysis. Component 1. Output parsers are specialized algorithms designed to analyze and interpret the unstructured text output generated by Anthropic's Claude AI. They use various techniques, such as natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning, to identify specific information within the text and represent it in a structured format, such as tables, lists, or key-value pairs. For example, an output parser might be used to extract the main points from a summary of a news article, the details of a recipe, or the steps involved in a particular process. Component 2. Anthropic's Claude AI is a large language model developed by Anthropic, a company specializing in artificial intelligence safety and research. Claude is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, enabling it to generate human-like text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Output parsers analyze Claude's text output and extract structured information. They work by applying a set of rules and patterns to the text, identifying specific elements and their relationships. This process can involve techniques like named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and topic modeling, to determine the relevant information and structure it in a meaningful way, enabling structured data extraction from Claude's responses, making it easier to work with and integrate with other systems by converting the unstructured text output from Claude into structured data. Output parsers make it possible to use this information in downstream applications. This includes tasks like data analysis, visualization, automation, and integration with other systems and tools. Structured data extraction allows for the efficient organization and analysis of information. It makes it easier to identify patterns, trends, and insights within the data, facilitating better decision-making and understanding of the information. Improved integration enables seamless integration of Claude's output with other systems and tools. This allows for more effective use of the information in a variety of applications, such as building chatbots, automating tasks, and creating personalized experiences. Maintaining parser accuracy with Claude's evolving responses can be challenging. Claude's responses are constantly being refined and updated based on new data and learning. This requires that the output parsers are also updated and adapted to ensure they can accurately extract the desired information from the new responses. Handling complex and diverse response formats can be challenging. Claude's responses can vary widely in their structure, language, and complexity. This poses a challenge for output parsers, as they need to be flexible enough to handle different formats and extract the relevant information from each one. Enables LangChain agents to seamlessly access the capabilities of Anthropic models as tools. This integration allows LangChain agents to leverage the strengths of Anthropic models for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, ultimately enhancing the functionality of the conversational application. This integration leverages the advanced capabilities of Anthropic models for a diverse set of tasks, ranging from text generation and translation to question answering and summarization. This unlocks a broader range of functionalities for conversational applications. The Convert to Anthropic tool simplifies the integration of Anthropic models within LangChain agents, making it easier for developers to leverage the capabilities of these powerful models. This streamlined integration process fosters a more efficient and user-friendly development workflow. Ensuring compatibility with LangChain's tool interface is crucial for seamless integration of Anthropic models. This involves ensuring the output format and communication protocols align with the expectations of the LangChain framework. Addressing potential limitations of Anthropic models within specific use cases is essential for a robust integration. This involves understanding the strengths and limitations of each Anthropic model and strategically choosing the most appropriate model for each task.